This is a third video in Redux series. In this, we are going to learn about React-Redux package. We have seen what is Redux and also we have seen what are the concepts which we are going to learn in this series. So in this session, we are going to learn what is React-Redux. Most people get confused. Redux can only be used with React, but actually it is not like that. Redux is completely independent of React. Redux can be used separately. Inside simple JS applications also, we can use Redux. In this, we are going to learn about React Redux package. So here we have this React, and React is nothing but it is a JavaScript UI library. And Redux is also a JavaScript library, but it is used to manage the state. Okay, it is state management library. It is UI library, which means React is used in front-end application and Redux is used to store the data of that application. So, which is why it is called as state management library. And in our first introduction video, we have understood what state data that will be stored inside the Redux. So, and React and Redux both work independent of each other. They both don't depend on each other. Redux can be used separately and React can be used separately. And inside React, if you don't want to use Redux, then also it's your choice. We are having context API that also you can choose. And their working design is completely different because they both are two different things. React is a UI library and Redux is a state management library. So their working design will also be completely different. And we have this React and we have this Redux. And Redux can be used in React with the help of this React Redux package. So we will be using this React Redux package, combine both React and Redux. So React is different, Redux is different. We will use React Redux package to combine both. So this is where React Redux package is used. And it is nothing but it is the official Redux UI binding library for React. So once we install this package, we will be able to use Redux inside our React applications. It offers multiple functions which will help us to connect our React application with Redux. So what we are doing, we are just creating one application and whatever data I am having inside the application that I am storing inside the Redux store. So using this React Redux library, what it will do, it will be offering some functions. Using that, we can able to connect this React application with Redux. Okay, it is nothing but it is a package that provide bindings to use React and Redux together in an application. So once our package is installed, we will be combining React and Redux, and after that we can use both React and Redux in our application. Basically, together we are using both these libraries, React and Redux. So to combine both, React Redux package is very important and we have to install this, and after installing this, we will be using Redux inside the React. So you should always remember React is a separate thing. It is a UI library. Redux is a separate thing. It is the state management library. And React Redux package, it is used to combine both React and Redux so that our application can use both React and Redux together. So this is all about React Redux package. Once we start implementing practically, then you will be having more understanding on this package.